Mediani Evangelist Abraham Amwatin, Mama Wakwa Baba Timothy Class Jumedi so on Timothy Class TV. In Shano say a radia sama menu abum punim pubium. In ye say a brevia obetemene Nyan Sadi free mu na nimuka ensem a rechitre any attain yin seven amdeba. Said the Medin Kai Cano. Means a mood in Shamona Meka, or so a Janet de Mammy. Na mpae ni sɛ wobɛyɛ nhyira wɔ nneɛma nyinaa mu na ne titire wobɛtumi abɔtene ne abrabɔ wobɛtumi abɔtene ne abrabɔ na wanya nneɛma nyinaa wie kaa no efie no school no certificate na yɛ o ma yɛ ho henhan wɔ abrabɔ mu abɛka yɛ ho ntirɛyɛ nso sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ na wobɛhwere wonhwere wo kra na wobɛnya ahomegye de ama wo kra daakye bi awurade ɔnhyira wo. You know what we should be war Ephesians chapter 4 verse 19. I say God shall supply us all our needs according to his riches. You see, God is so wise enough that he did not use the word want, but rather he used the word need. When someone needs something, it means that person lacks or lacks adeno. And so he needs that thing to come and satisfy him or her, or for that thing to come and serve a purpose, a useful one, of course, for that thing to make him feel okay. So God realizes that as he created man, at a point in time, man will need something which is very essential and critical. Look, the difference between need and want. I have told you that need, when you are in need of something, it means you don't have that thing. You don't have even a replica of it. You don't have a nature of that thing. It means that at the end you are and you need it to come and satisfy you. You need it to come and serve a useful purpose. You need to make that thing make you feel okay. But want, when you want something, the reason why God did not use want is that human wants are even insatiable. When you party a pen and two chada into chini ye ahiade, somebody be here need and it's a ope bibi. Bibi yawa, the castle way a hiano, just say onisika, or a hiani, or here bibi. But we ope bibi just say already no idea no. Na who idea no necessary for very good. I rather go me that was it. Who idea no says so for Tibroni Becase. Who idea no new version. And now something of that nature. And he wants that thing to come and replace what he already has. And I said to come and add up. So difference, you know. Need nature say no onishi when this idea even of that nature and be new. And now want to read the was idea no dada. And who idea no says so for it will or pesadian no amana ba candy or what dada no ho. And I say ebeba be yi dada no afri ho na be sha he wants that thing, the new version of what he already has. It's onipe bia woni awrade nante. So the spirit of need etna umu a abri bia no unya abodochare unya otwe honhom ema awrade didie ehia ema wo. But so ube develop the desire and the spirit of wonder bibia nso wani. If so onipe bia wotaye mepe na won ka se mehia no se nipa ni obi a otumu se woye me pesa me kire wade bi o se nipa no e ba be ye wo live a life of desperation or wo ahonyehie mu. I say that person lives a life of desperation because the piano who hia no so o pebibi you say phone no wa who ni new version na we na yeda da ama no to ompebiem na ope adefoforo ama na be ka de o dada no anase emehye dada no anem to bo so otabo abrabo ya ahonyehia abrabo bibia nso no. He is always not satisfied and okay with anything that he has. Into oppress the bia or pebi foforo. Send the panel. or live the life of desperation. Iti Emma after so or live the life of desperation was it or go further to add something we call impatience. Ti say anybody was a debia odua ahonyehia aba na aso impatience edua. So anyone who lives a life of want, or builds the character, or inculcates the character of want, he always lives a life of desperation, and desperation brings forth what we call impatience. When you are trying, when you are because he's not okay with what he has, he's not content with it. So that is why when you are in the one casame mamu de mope. Nessa cadepiano, que humbe here. Nti osemema mu die hia mu. Nti die hia obi ekomde na ohia aduane. Ba die ono no ope bibi no kyese wodi emo but onya pizza bi a ode bebo soro. But obi ekomde no no de onya aduane ni, onya aduane na obedie. Aduane bia so odema na obedi. So ohia ni. Bo sumuna so ade kra ope but osikani de otietia watch am so. And after say nipa no build the spirit of want no. What sow the seed of desperation no. Obo say it brings forth what we call impatience. And when impatience has also matured, it yields the fruit of what we call Ishmael. So look at the pattern. If you don't live the life of need, whereby God will give you something that will be essential to you, that will come and serve a purpose in your life, and you develop the spirit of want, you sow the seed of desperation, and the seed of the desperation will germinate and bring forth what we call impatience. And you see, the pattern follows. The impatience will also bear the fruit of Ishmael. Now, I will explain this to you in our next episode. I will explain this pattern to you. Why I say that when you live the life of want, you sow the seed of desperation, which brings forth what we call impatience, and it also bears the fruit of Ishmael. You see, the spirit of want in man has cost the world or the nation greatly. It has ruined most of our lives. It has brought something we call human errors to distort fact. Human errors are the spirit of want no. Ama nipa yam fun so bebre. Ama nipa yam fun so bebre. Ama akoste yen. Ama ne to say ene be kire ma kire why I am saying this. In the Philippians chapter 4 verse 19, God will tell you that obema nie ehian. Yes, obema nie ehian. So at the point in time, what you need is greater than what you want. You already have, and you just want to add up, or you want to replace. But the need, the spirit of need, when you have it, you don't even have. You know, you can't say that's why I explain. Obi eni atade se into ohia atade into onyankata ho a oye okay when atade ahye. But obi pe atade obo se nya atade keke obi designer. So in our next meeting, I'll take time to explain to you why I use that pattern. That when you develop or inculcate the habit of want, you sow the seed of desperation, which brings forth what we call impatience, and it finally bears the fruit of Ishmael, which yields to or amounts to human errors of the world. Mediani Evangelist Abraham Amwatin 0545415410. Hwemede bia ewo Timothy Class TV so. Na wo ye dwumakuo bi anase youth ministry bi na mu hia with my friend number na anase obe WhatsApp ni. Erade inshallah. Na won tse ni mche no ma won ti ase. Amen.